Welcome to Lesson 9 of the free anxiety relief course. In this lesson, you'll learn the 9th cognitive distortion, labeling. Labeling is when you call yourself a mean name. Like when you feel nervous and think, I'm just an anxious person. You're basically saying, my only characteristic is I'm anxious. I have no other traits. Do you see why that's a cognitive distortion? This is an extreme form of overgeneralization, because you're more than an anxious person. You may often feel anxious, but that doesn't make you an overall anxious person. The key to overcome this is to be less general in your description of yourself. And remember to judge the action, not yourself. Instead of saying, I'm a screw-up, you can say, I screwed up that interview. One mistake doesn't make you a 100% screw-up. Also beware of labeling other people. Don't say, my boss is a jerk. Instead say, my boss often behaves like a jerk. It sounds funny, but it really helps to relieve anxiety about people you've labeled. Let's do an example. Mandy is taking an online test. She thinks, I'm such a bad test taker. This thought won't make Mandy any more confident about her test-taking skills. She needs to strip off that label through some positive self-talk. What she could think instead is, I have done poorly on tests in the past, but that does not affect my performance on this test today. She could also add, by taking the test, I am a good test taker. The only way to be a bad test taker is to not take the test at all. So when you catch yourself labeling, just remember, you're not a labeler, you're just a person who often labels. In the next lesson, you'll learn the 10th cognitive distortion, personalization. Just one lesson to go. Click the subscribe button if you're feeling good, and let's all try to have a little more headfulness.